2 weeks ago I was in hospital having my hernia repaired. It's quite a big one, a bit of a mess. So he opens me up, pushes back my intestines, repositions them with the valve, and a mesh this side made of plastic was inserted in there and glued back in, stitched me all up, made me a new belly button, and I'm out. So where am I? I'm at Taines and Lock at the Lansbury Resort, where big boys come training. Like the Lionesses, we're talking about Manchester United, not that it does them any good, but England rugby team, the All Blacks, they all come down because we're just around the corner from Wembley and Twickenham, and here I am, training. Not doing any lifting or anything like that at all. It's about the mind and the body. Today's about stamina, not speed or distance. So I've been going now, walking on this thing for 25 minutes. Now I don't know whether that's good or bad. I've done gradient 3 and Sally-Ann's been screaming at me. So she's on the machine next to me. Looking really professional. 25 minutes? Is that enough? Nah, come on, let's go. Well, Sally-Ann's saying no. I don't know how to stop it though. Things. Oh, Sally-Ann's going to stop it for another 10 minutes, she says. Breakfast and croissants, probably. Sally-Ann's slowing down now. Lightweight. Up near it says emergency stop. See you in Denmark and Norway. I think I've done enough in the training camp of champions. Alright, so don't panic. We'll be back soon.